Hello, dear students of class 6. Today we are going to do a project work. Okay, now this project uh, is on page number 35 of your textbook. Okay, students, in this project, we have to design a timetable, okay, of your class by defining the name of the weekdays. Okay, weekdays, these are the weekdays. Okay, so I've made this table. Okay, so these are the weekdays. So we have to design the weekdays, or we have to define the weekdays in the columns. Okay, and the period numbers, see, these are the period numbers in rows. Okay, and then apply different types of formatting features that we have learned so far in this chapter and make this attractive. Okay, so you in your project you can show your creative work over here. Okay, you can choose any style. Okay, you can apply any table styles from the table style gallery also. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, how to do it. Okay, so open the Microsoft Word. Okay, then quickly insert a table. Now insert a table of seven columns and seven rows. Okay, see, this is the table of seven columns and seven rows. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to select the first row. Okay, go to this layout tab and I'm going to merge it. Why I'm going to merge it? Because over here I'm going to write the name of the class and the timetable. Okay, so I'm going to write this class 6 timetable 2021. Okay, so I'll just paste it over here. Okay, you guys can type it. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, after that, students, uh, over here I have to type the days of the week. So I am going to type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, Thursday, because they said, oh sorry, S is missing. Oh sorry, Thursday, okay, Thursday, then Friday and Saturday. Okay, then you can mention the period numbers over here. So you have period number 1, period number 2. Okay, period number 3 is your break. Okay, is your break, right? So you just merge all these cells together again and then write break over here, BREAK. Okay, and then 3 and 4. Okay, now the first period I think on Monday is of maths, so I've typed maths over here. Okay, on Tuesday again you have maths, suppose. Okay, then you have English. So then second period on your Monday is Hindi. Sorry, science. It's science. SCIEN, science. So in this way, in different rows and different cells, you have to mention the periods accordingly. So so this third period is history, and then you have library or GK. Okay, then Hindi, uh, history. Okay, so just type this computer as fast. I'm just typing it as fast as possible. Okay, English, science, geography, computer science, oh sorry, science, geography, computer, then English, science, geography, Sanskrit, English, science. Okay, I don't know whether this is your correct timetable or not. I'm just making a timetable. You make according to your timetable. Okay, geography, and then Sanskrit. Okay, then you have maths, maths, Hindi, Hindi, music and English. Okay, music and English, suppose. Okay, English, Hindi, then Hindi, maths and PT. Okay, maths, and you have PT. Okay, so I have typed the data. Now for the formatting. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll quickly go over here. Okay, I'll select some good fonts from here. Okay, whichever font you like. Suppose you like Comic Sans, so I'll use this Comic Sans. Okay, whichever font you like, whichever colors you like. Okay, suppose I'll make this green color. Okay, you can also go to this table styles gallery, which is over here. Okay, you can select any particular style that you like from this gallery. Okay, see, whichever you like, you can choose it. Okay, suppose I'm choosing this one. Okay, and then suppose for text I change the color of the text. Okay, because I have taken this dark blue color. Okay, so now this break should be over here. Okay, so it's okay, you can increase or decrease the size of the table with the help of this table resize handle. Okay, and you can do different types of formatting in this table. Okay, so it is up to you what you want to do. Okay, I want to see very good designed tables by you. Okay, I- so it is up to you how you make your tables. Okay, and how you design it. So I want to see your creativity. Okay, so please do practice this. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, after making this, okay, after making this table, what you do, you just after your table has been done, you just go to this file option over here, then click on this save as. Okay, just in this file name you type your name. Okay, suppose instead of this class 6 you type, suppose your name is suppose Ajay. Okay, suppose, okay, your name suppose is Ajay Mathur, suppose. Okay, suppose your name is Ajay Mathur, you are in class 6B. Okay, you type your name, you type your class, and then you save it wherever you want. Okay, so suppose you want to save it on desktop, you save it on the desktop. But see, this is the Word document. Okay, you what you do, you come over here, you select the PDF file. Okay, and after selecting this PDF, just click on save. So now see, your file will be saved as a PDF file on the desktop. See, this is Ajay Mathur's PDF file. Yes, see, this is the computer project. Okay, now you have to email me this PDF file, email, or you can even WhatsApp me this file. Okay, accordingly. Okay, so this is how you are going to perform your project work. Okay, so I leave the creativity to you guys. Okay, you choose whichever border style, colors. Okay, whatever color you want, you can choose it in this and perform everything accordingly. Okay, thank you for your attention. Take care and be well.